Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to block a profile in Twitter. The first step is go to the application of Twitter of X, and after that you need to search the person you want to block. For example, you go here and you can search. I don't know. You can search that person, for example. And after that, you need to go to the 3 points here in the superior right corner of the account, and you pick in block. So you can block that person. Here said will no longer be able to follow or message you, and you will not see notifications from the top comics. Basically, you block that person like the all the options they can to communicate with you, to send you a message, like the notifications were when that person post. But this is the process. I don't block that person, but you pick in block, and that's it. You confirm the process. I hope this is the tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.